have at least a dozen pens within reach right now. But how are they made? Believe it or not, this room is filled with pens. Each of these bags contain thousands of tiny polypropylene copolymer pellets, also known as PPC. PPC is light in weight, resistant to staining, and has a low moisture absorption rate. The pellets are fed into a large mixer, separated, and measured into the perfect portions. Phase 2 is injection, which begins with the pellets being poured into a giant funnel known as a hopper. In some instances, they are actually vacuumed up through tubes and directly into the hopper, where they are measured and portioned for the injection process. The plastic pellets travel down the hopper and into the machine, where they're melted down and injected into molds in the shape of several pen bodies attached to a plastic framework known as a runner. The process is repeated for the pen caps, clutches, and interior barrel. Once the molds are removed from the frame, the runner can be ground down and turned back into already colored PPC pellets, which are used to make more pens. The metal tips at the end of your pens are called nibs. The nibs are attached to the plastic barrel of the ink refill via assembly line. Then the ink is injected into the cartridge through the tip and given a twist. Now comes the fun part, testing. These are multi-parameter testing machines. They are used to test the refill's affinity, wear rate, and amount of ink flow at various writing speeds. And they are mesmerizing to watch. Sometimes a little old-fashioned elbow grease is the best test. It's time to get truly hands-on with assembly. A technician places the ink chamber into the barrel, slides on the spring, screws on the tip, and pops on the thrust tube and push button. Every pen is inspected by hand to ensure quality control. If one isn't up to standard, it's cast aside. Nothing but the best is accepted. Your pens are complete and ready to write. The shipping department wraps them in plastic, boxes them up, and ships them out to lucky customers all over the world.